How you doing, buddy? You okay?
Oh, great. Thank you. And you?
Good, good. Welcome back. Those of you that are joined us, want to join us, however you want to be. Did you have a good lunch?
Amazing.
Yeah? Good. Sorry, the guys are putting tile, so
hello,
noise that side, noise that
Hi.
side. Hi, Colwa, how you doing?
I'm good. You reminded me about the Copy Trader account, so I just had a look at it.
Yeah, it's only up about 10-12%, isn't it?
It's more than that. It's too warm. Don't get me to start trying to wear, but it's more than that.
Yeah. It was a really good trading session, about an hour altogether. And so, it's certainly done around 10% for me, depending on your profile. One of my accounts has done 17% on today.
On today, let me.
It's just amazing to see that. Today, the day will be perfect.
Yeah. So let's have a look, see what we've been doing on the trading whilst Colwa's doing that. So I did some trading because I had meetings and stuff, so I've really been kind of stuck to my desk, more or less. So I traded during the hour break on the signals. So I'm at about 6% now on my account.
Oh, wow.
For the day.
Well done.
Yeah.
15%.
Oh my God, how are you going to live with that on a copy trading account?
As soon as we're off, I have to ring up people to go out to dinner.
I knew you were going to say that.
Go out to dinner and lunch.
Yeah, when nice things happen like that, right? Because as I was saying before lunch, I've got 3 accounts hooked up to that. All for different purposes. And so, and when I've been, obviously, like I said to you, I've been involved in this for my own money's been in since the beginning of the year.
Yeah.
And and then it's been growing really nicely and all the rest of it and everything else. But now that the account's at a decent size, so the money actually means something. I don't want to say, I've done 2%, but it's like 20 quid.
Yeah.
22% is great, but £20 isn't exactly going to move the needle. But 5 times that is £100, and and so we talked about compounding, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so, this is now, like I said to you, I'm about 6% up on my account. I'm about 17% and 50%, depends on your risk.
Yeah.
And the other accounts are, so there's one that's really adventurous and the other 2 are the same as you guys.
Okay.
So, and you have the ability to do that. But look, it's, I had a fantastic meeting with a gentleman I met a couple of years ago who's been watching us on LinkedIn. He said, you know what, it's absolutely refreshing to see what you guys are doing. Right? And so it's working, whatever we're doing, and I'm enjoying it. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
It's great. Yeah. I mean, so it was really funny. So we did our 2 hours, and then I did a little bit of cooking. But the window's open, the music is on. I've got a friend coming over at 4 o'clock for a cup of coffee. It's just so relaxed. The doors are open, the sunshine is out. I went for a 20-minute walk. It's just so relaxed.
Yeah.
I've been reading, and going back to this copy trading. So if it's done 15% today,
well, let me just tell you.
That's sorry. That you don't get 15% in a year.
You do in about 3 years.
Yeah, but you don't.
Yeah.
You don't, but you don't. Yeah, and Matthias and I had spoken about this a little while ago, because I said to him that I wanted to feel that I was being rewarded, and that what we would do, what Matthias is going to help me, and he'll do it outside of the sessions. Do you remember, Matthias? We were going to open up a wallet or something in the Revolut account, because
for you to withdraw your money.
Yeah, because I didn't withdraw anything, so it's only been in there, Cam. I'm going to say to you, the 14th of April. Account attached. So 2 weeks, because it's the 30th today.
Yeah, and then it's good for you to have that reward as well.
Yes, because you feel the reward from it, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
We'll do that over the next day or two. So no, it's good. It's really, really good.
I think one of the things is when we set this up, I mean, you now know, Matthias and myself, that, you know, if we can do something to help, you know, we do. And I'm just gonna read a message. We got a client that last night attached to our copy trading account. And by the way, I'm only talking, if you hear for the signals, the only reason we're not talking about signals is because there was a signal at 12:33, which if you in our community you would have gotten and traded with, and that's hit TP1
3
20
times.
30 pips, 3 times it's done it.
3 times.
So it's now waiting. Yeah, so you need to be in the Traded with Cam community on Telegram. You need to be part with our broker so that we can give you the signals for free. It doesn't cost anything. So, you know, lovely guy. Spoke to him last week. Yeah, okay, I'll get that attached. Blah, blah, blah. Matthias said to me last night, I was meeting him. There was another gentleman that attached yesterday or the day before. So it hadn't finished trading yet. So he sent this, hi Matthias, thanks so much again for the time last night to attach my account. So he attached it like 7:30, 8 o'clock last night.
Yeah, 8:30.
I was pleasantly shocked that the matter of a few hours it's produced 8.37% return. It hadn't finished yet, by the way. Right? Just wanted to make sure my lot size is correct, as I wasn't expecting these kinds of returns in a day, let alone a week. Amazing.
Yeah, no, but it's like I said to you, 15% over the day. The good thing is you reminded me of it. I wouldn't have thought of it. I'm so engrossed in doing this, and I kind of like that I'm not, because I know it doesn't do what the other one do on a daily basis. So you reminded me. It was you that reminded me of it earlier. Otherwise, I would have. I hadn't thought of it, but I had spoken to Matthias when we opened it, but it was 14th of April, which is only 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So in 2 weeks, it's done about 16%, just over.
Brilliant. Well, listen, number one is I'm really pleased for you because you kept the faith. You stuck with us, and we're coming good every day.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy about that. And I'm just going to tell you, the reason what I'm doing is I'm going to tell you what the master has done. Unfortunately, I'm tied to an NDA that I can't disclose I can't give you the links and things.
That's okay.
Because there's some very important people that run it. So as of today, on number one risk, so half yours, it's at 99% up on the year.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
And this month, you would have done, I'm going to tell you this, you would have done 75% gross on your account this month. So that 99, we would be at 200.
Yeah.
Gross.
Oh, wow.
So net of fees, you'd be up 160% this year.
Wow.
With a 4.5% drawdown. Yeah, that's the other
Wow.
impressive part, right?
Yeah.
So this year, the maximum drawdown has been 4.64%.
It's good going, isn't it?
Yeah, well, we keep our fingers crossed that we're involved in something. It's been going for just over 2 years now. So we got the track record, looked at all of those things because we've fallen over a few times and, rushed into things. So I wasn't going to do that. And that's great. So yeah, this is where we're at, right? So generally speaking, you will make more money trading your own money than you will having us manage it for you. And we don't manage money, by the way, because you don't hand it over to us, but we manage your account, let's say. But if you haven't got the time or you don't want to learn, then if you'd given me £1,000 yesterday, I would have given you £100 return on that today. Yeah, net.
Yeah.
Right? Net. You'd have netted 10% today. You'd be at £1,100 today. That doesn't happen every day. And we take it over the month. Thank you. We take it over the month. And we obviously, it's an amazing end to a month. It's the last trading day of the month. So my own account, one of them that I attached this month is up like 45%. So
Wow.
pretty good going. So the market's not doing much at this moment in time. So New York has been open for 13 minutes, nothing really happening. It's been ranging now since about 11:30. It hasn't done much. I'll share it with you actually,
Yeah.
and you can see.
But we had great signals after the morning session
Oh,
as
signals
well.
are fantastic, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
So I'll move that to around the middle of your screen. But you see all of this here. It's ranged between 46.23 and about 46.44. So 23, 33, 43. Within about 200 pips. But then ranging markets are really easy to make money from. Although you can see it's narrowing slightly. So let's see what this afternoon brings. We'll have some more signals. And then the other thing is that when you haven't got signals and you're not in trades, you should be listening to an audio book, reading an audio book, looking at charts. So instead of this being on the 1 minute, look at the day chart, see what it's been doing, right? So you see a much bigger picture. So what we're doing is we're zooming out. So even on this little graph, I only got half of it up on my screen. You've got all the way to November 25. So you've got about 6 months of patterns. Sorry?
About just I'm adding your was not you're talking about, but you're not sharing.
Oh, sorry. Not has it added now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My
I
apologies.
asked that now.
Okay. So I've zoomed out to the day chart. Sorry, I didn't press that. So I zoomed out. This is the day chart, which I was talking about. So even on here, so that's going back to October. So like we said, 7-8 months of figures, and you can see the trend. There's where it peaked, 5,600 and something, 5,597 according to this, at the end of January. And then it's big correction here, back up, couldn't quite manage it again. And then we've got these patterns going on. So these are days, what's happening during one day in the market. So these are the kind of things that you really want to be skilling yourself up with. So these are the hours. So what the market's done over the hours. And again, on my screen, I can squash this up far more, but you can get a view of what went on since April on here. And that's really this kind of stuff that we do when we're not trading.
Yeah, the trending lines that you were asking Kuwait about higher, lower,
Yeah.
lower,
Yeah.
lower, higher.
Yeah.
Is where you can play with that draw your lines and things like that.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely.
I understand them, and then I get a little bit, where, because when you find them on graphs, they tend to sort of show the up and the down almost straight.
Yeah.
So, when you have all the little bits in the middle, that throws me. Whereas on graphs, drop, they tend to. So.
Yeah, another drop, yeah.
Yeah, that was a decent drop, wasn't it? So, and when they're dropping, you need to get ready for a buy, because we're looking out now for when it's going to break upwards. So there'll be something coming when the institutional order flow and the mechanical trading systems are telling us that it's going to go up. Sorry, Gulban.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, let's wait for the next signal.
Yeah. So we're back to the 1 minute candle, and because we look at the 1 minute time frame, it shows the most detail, and the 1 minute and the 5 minute are probably the best time frames to use for scalping, which is what we're doing. If you got any of you guys watching got any questions, just pop them in the comments and we'll get them. If you want to share with us and come live, then message us or send us a message. We'd be happy to do that and discuss your trading with you. So you can get a bit of a one-to-one session with us. So we've got a couple of hours ago, got some news. So let's have a look. I'll just do that in detail with you. So oil worries spook European markets before ECB and BOE. So that's the European Central Bank and Bank of England decision. So I can't remember now whether they're this week or next week. The European interest rates and the ECB ones. I don't really bother too much with them because they don't really move the market. So I think, okay, fine, yeah. So these sorry, go on.
We will have some news today at 1:30.
Yes, we did. What was it? I can't remember now. We did mention it this morning.
We will have.
Oh, it's America, isn't it? It's
yeah.
So YouTube, if you can see that. So what happens is if you go on your 5 minute chart on TradingView, it'll have a little symbol here. We'll have a little thing there. See what that is. Latest update. Yeah. So whiplash on European markets as oil tumbles off 4-year high. Yen spikes. Oil worries spook. Gold rebounds but remains on track for weekly loss. So little headlines there. So this one is the bond. So red folder news. So gross domestic product for the US quarter on quarter. So that's the forecast, 2.3, previous 0.5. So the actual, when the figure comes in, it'll go there. And this is what moves the market. So MOM is month on month, and month on month, core PCE price index, month on month again. So basically he's talking about the growth of the economy, income, spending, the consumer price index. So all of that kind of thing is pointing towards where the inflation is going to be pegging higher or lower. So inflation goes up, interest rates go down, gold goes up. Yeah, inflation goes down, inflation goes up, interest rates come down, gold goes up. So that's the kind of correlation that we have between them. Not always, most of the time. So that just spiked back up.
Went up again.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, the news are in 10 minutes. We will see. and sometimes we'll be just waiting for the news as well. And we have had plenty of signals today. That means we don't need to keep chasing it.
Well, if you're up 2-3%, and as I was saying, that I had a really good session after we closed our live. Went up from, I think I was at about 3% when we finished, so added another 3%. Got some really good trades, and then pack up shop. I'm not looking to enter any market any further trades unless I'm absolutely 100% sure of what's going to go on. So my personal accounts amount to 4 different accounts. 1 I trade, 3 I copy trade with. So got a fantastic result on all of those today. And you know what? Sometimes just quit when you're ahead. Be that gambler that takes the house in Vegas and walks out.
That's it.
Yeah.
And don't accept the free sweet and the drinks that they give you, because they just want you to gamble again and lose it all, right?
Absolutely.
You've got enough money to get your own sweet down the road where they don't know what you've been doing. I had a really, really funny message. So this morning, one of my clients that's attached his account recently messaged saying, hey, any trades? Is my account hooked up? I said, no, I've checked your account. It's all hooked up, no problem at all. So again, it hadn't finished trading yet. So I said, I'll let you know as soon as it's trading, but it's fine. So then I just said, you should see some trades. And he went, yeah. I said, what's your percentage gain? And he said, done about 9%. Just gutted that I've got such a small amount of equity, right? So when we're winning, we think we wish we had a really big account, right? And then we're losing, no, I wish we had a really small account. So you can't have it always, can you?
No. And it's human nature, isn't it, to want something different to what we've got.
It's usually wanting something that we can't have, right? Right, and I think we just do it because we know we can't have it, right?
Yeah,
absolutely.
It's
No, it's great to see the results. People are sharing results today. Is just massive.
Should be incredible.
Yeah.
Daily target double today, £539.
Let me see that.
£1,205 profit. Total profit £260. That's just the last 3 that we've had in today. These are our traders, people that are in our big group. So I actually put a post up this morning. Did you see my story? Do your signals work? Right?
Yeah.
They only work if you do. That's the only thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
I share your stories today. Yeah.
Yeah, nothing works if you don't. That's the only secret in life, right?
Well, you've got to do something, haven't you?
Yeah. You have to do something. I've been watching these guys. It's their second week, doing a bathroom, and it's like a massive jigsaw puzzle that needs to be put together. And then yesterday we were talking about, this thing goes here. And I said, if that goes there, how do we do that? And I'm like, thank God for that. So it's just a joint effort in terms of, and that's what life is, isn't it? It's like, bit of collaboration, bit of this, bit of that, and then it all comes together. It's taking shape now. I think, unfortunately, I don't think they said we'd finished this week, so they'll still be in the main bathroom next week. But you know what? Slowly catch a monkey, right?
Yeah.
That's it. You're talking about results, Khan? They're the results from...
God, you got to read them because it might be a bit small on the screen for people. So those are the results I was reading out.
Yeah, £539.
Yeah.
As you can see, the profits for the day here, 260.
Yeah.
1,200. Another small one, but that is the beginning of something. Not mega amounts compared to others. I appreciate that. However, I'm happy. I'm staying disciplined after yesterday.
Yeah.
Someone just starting now.
Yeah, but it has to start small, doesn't it? When you're learning.
Yeah.
I think the other thing is, Cole, when we first came into this, we were going to buy a jet in a year, right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And we're going to buy £100 million house next week. And you and there's nothing wrong with that enthusiasm, but it comes from ignorance, or comes from seeing other people's Lambos and whatnot. And then you discover they're not real at all.
No.
So I was talking about the ranging market. Matthias, if you just let me share. So this is really interesting what we've just seen.
Go
there.
for it.
So you see this now? Came down to here. Then I hope you can see my mouth. It went up there. It's just about come back there. So it's such an easy market to trade, even if you're doing it on your own. It's my favorite market. Ranging market is my absolute favorite market, because I used to smash these up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
I remember you saying that before.
Yeah, but the only thing was, I never bloody stopped. Right?
I remember one day, and I remember walking to the village, and I was by our village green, and you put a message on, and I've never forgotten it, and it said, "I don't know what gold's doing today, but I'm riding the wave," and it was just literally. It did it for about 3 hours that day.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember those days, because here we go. Buy limit gold. It's a buy limit order, so you can place your trades. Right? 46.29. Oh, sorry, that's a TP. Between 46.26 and 46.21.
Yeah. Let me share that.
So from 46.21 to 46.26. Look at that, shot straight up. So my 26 hit.
Yeah, went straight away to T.
Yeah, got 50 pips.
Yeah.
That's why my TP's set. Got that one.
And it's the news as well now, guys. That's why the market is. Yeah.
And
just book your profits and move stop loss to break even. That's you can protect your capital and re-enter if you need to. TP2.
Yeah.
Amazing. That was easy one.
Yeah.
And so very fast. Yeah, we are going to TP3.
6, that one.
Personal income has actually gone up more, and the rest of the figures are as reported. So shot up. So cancel all your buy orders.
Yeah. That's TP2. That the trade is done.
Yeah, cancel them all.
Yeah.
Not valid now.
It's not valid anymore. Yeah. I will just take that from the screen. Then no one can be tempted to redo that again.
It's not tempted, it's just that we don't want to cause. Well, we don't want to make mistakes, so that costs you money, right? Just telling you. So what I was going to say was that one of the things that happened, how I went from sort of 2.5%, 3% to 6% very quickly was that I actually put my lot size up. So the account, holding the account, as I said to you a few days ago, that I'm purposely holding the lot sizes down because I'm not always able to concentrate. So I didn't want to make any mistakes. If I did make any mistakes, I didn't want them to cost me as much, which is understandable. And Matthias mentions it all the time about protecting the account.
Yeah.
Right. So I actually increased my lot size. I thought, right, okay, we can do a little bit more now, and that's also, you know, caused me to make more money than I would have done ordinarily.
Okay, guys, that signal went to GP2. I will be absent for 5 minutes. You excuse me, guys. I come back now.
So anything you ever wanted to say about Matthias, you can say it right now.
He's just too nice, isn't he?
Yeah, he can't. I don't think he's real. I think he's like a machine, or I reckon he's one of those alien robots. Nobody can be that nice, right?
Yeah. No, he's just too nice. Can you be too nice, Cam? Is it possible to be too nice?
He's not here now, but let me tell you something. If I ring him up today that I'm not very well, right, there'll be a bottle of wine or a hamper or a card tomorrow in my house.
Yeah.
Right? I told him that my dad had his knee operation.
Yeah.
Right? So he's been to my parents, you know, they've obviously met all the rest of it. It's not that, you know, he's been to my parents' house, and that kind of stuff. And then all of a sudden, I can't remember what it was, but we bought this for your dad. I said, can you stop this, please? You know, it's just too much. They're such nice people.
Yeah, and when we'll have, both of us have come across people, I'm sure, I certainly have, because I don't have a radar that says be careful. Somebody smiles at me, Cam, I think they're lovely. That's it. And so I don't know any other way, but when you really good people come into your life, you need to hold them dear, don't you, in this way?
100%.
So, no, he just...
I met Matthias through my trading business. I posted something and he contacted me off the back of that and said, you know, just sent him a message back because you're courteous. And then, I don't know how much later, we realized that we live within about 2-3 miles of each other.
Yeah.
So I think I said, you know, why don't we have a cup of coffee? Because it's always nice to meet people. It's a very lonely business.
Yeah.
And at that time, we were just trading ourselves. We didn't have this business. And we met up and we started doing things together. And now we're like dear family friends.
But they're brilliant relationships, aren't they? Brilliant.
I think we really complement each other. You know, his technical ability and all the rest of the stuff that he does with me. So yeah, we really complement each other well. So now with our clients, for instance, you know, I'll do the first call, set it all up, get the sale over the line, and like, okay, I'm going to hand you over to Matthias and he'll have the rest of it.
Yeah.
And so it's working really well for us.
Good.
To be honest with you, I don't ever see that changing because we never fall out over anything.
What is there to fall out over? Nothing really, is there?
So now the market's coming down. So yeah, I said cancel your orders because you didn't know what was going to happen at the time.
Yeah.
And we don't know where it's going to go down to. Right. So if it starts reversing, you know, it could go straight through and take your stop losses out as well.
Yeah.
So it's better to, so if you got some profit on the first trade or second trade, even if you didn't, doesn't matter. We've had a great trading day so far. So I think I've received a message from Adam earlier because he was a little bit down because he made a mistake this morning.
But he's so new. Those mistakes.
Well, no, he said after 13 winning trades, I'm back to break even for the day. Right now, I'm going to try and put a few profits. Sorry.
Which is great. He only started on Monday.
Well, he made 5% because he lost it through a mistake.
Yeah, but we do, don't we? We do these things.
We're human. Yeah. Mr. Atwell, Optimus Wealth. Yes, he goes. tell me, what, about 15% today? And all done in an hour. No drawdown, no nothing. So, yeah, really happy to have you here. Yeah, it's been a great afternoon. It was sort of, we were actually in the trades one before so we were in from 10 till about 12. It was a couple of hours. But remember, it only trades, when the criteria is met. Right, so the criteria was met for 2 hours, traded for 2 hours, banged out, 15, 16% for most people today. So absolute pleasure, my friend. We've kissed a lot of frogs. So it's nice to have a prince for a change, or a princess, depending on who you are. So you see, it would it have fulfilled your order? 26 it would have done. Right, so but that's about it, and then it would have bounced back up, and maybe taking your stop loss out. SL was 20, so would have done that. Sorry, obviously it was a sell, so stop loss would be there. So would it have filled the order? I'm always thinking about buying. Yeah, it would only have filled 21, 26. So obviously it didn't go all the way down here.
No, it kind of started from 26, didn't it? And it shot up.
It caught my one of my buy limits.
Oh, okay. 20.
Yeah, it caught one at 27, I believe that it was.
No, it shouldn't. That 25.
Let me just have a look what it caught. But I remember, I'm not really that fussed.
I didn't even get into it because I was fluffing about. I had a look and it was already at TP1.
Well, you definitely have to move, don't you? Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
You definitely have to move on that one, didn't you?
Yeah.
So again, look at that. See, right in the way. Do.
Yeah.
Right.
They're always the best ones, aren't they? The ones that are done in 2 or 3 minutes, 4 minutes. They're always the best ones.
Well, the least amount of time that you're in the market, the less risk you run.
Yes. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So the money that's in your accounts is your money. Nobody has access to that. Even the broker doesn't. So that's your money. So there's no risk to it if you're not in any trades. And so that's what we're talking about, that de-risking yourself, spend the least amount of time in the market and, get in and out, sniper entries. So he's updating us now. So from the 9%, he's done 13.6%.
Hello, can you hear me?
He's back.
Hey,
Hi.
hey, hello.
I'm back to action. Those are the days I want to be. A lot of messages like thank you again. That's you don't need to thank me. We are here to support everyone, to help everyone. It's just amazing to see results like that today.
Well, look, we have plenty of bad days, right, in life and financially in trading. So when you get a good one, right, celebrate it, be happy.
That's it.
Yeah. And just pray that you and everybody else around you has more of those, because, we I've got a message from an old contact of mine. There's another thing that I do and I've never monetized it. So I've got a group with about 80,000 people in it. And, we've looked at it at various times and people ask me if I want to sell it and offer me good money. And he's been working on something, and he said, Cam, he said, I was just thinking about things. He said, how on earth do you get 80,000 people in the group? I said, look, we've just started broadcasting, and then the first couple of days it was just me and Mateus, right? And that was it. Nobody was watching us. And then Matthias, I think one of our YouTube videos got over 100 views.
Wow,
Which is
amazing.
like, what the hell, right? And
Just starting, yeah.
yeah, and then I got that message this morning from Facebook saying you had 6,000 views or 6,000 reactions or something this week. Post it out. And so he was like, Cam, he said, I didn't even get 2 of those, let alone 6,000. So he said, you know, do you get paid to do Facebook? I said, yeah, I get paid by Facebook for my content. And he goes, I bet you did. I knew it. And so look, it's, you know, if you do good things happen, right?
Yeah.
Definitely.
So at certain points, when you reach certain things, Facebook invite you to, I don't know what it is that you have to do, I can't remember now, is that you can monetize your content and they offer you various things and blah, blah, blah. So most months now, they send me a little check. It's quite diddy amounts of money. But yeah, it's just the, it's like a free gift or recognition for, you know, content that you put out, that they actually value it. So it's interesting in terms of what goes on in life. So we've had nothing since the buy limit on gold. So whether he's actually waiting for them to be fulfilled, I don't know. I immediately think take your profit, and the market conditions are changing all the time. So I don't like to hold them for too long. What about yourself?
As you can see here, he's coming back to the entry points, and we went to TP2. Why are you leaving money on the table? You don't know where that can go now. If it goes up, amazing. But if it drops all the way down again, you don't want to be in stop loss when you're supposed to book profits at TP2. Did you take the last one, Kuwant?
I didn't. I was saying to Cam when you were away that I was so busy flapping around that when I looked at it, it was already at TP1. But it's okay, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's all right.
Yeah. We'll
Yeah,
other signal
because
later. Yeah.
We've had signals all day, and we'll have signals later.
Yeah.
And again, you know that this group, the live sessions, really help put that into perspective as this is all right. Whereas when you're on your own, again, all those things of, am I doing it correct? Should I have done that? Sitting by yourself, all of, you know, different sort of feelings come into play. Whereas by the time I stopped flapping around on my phone, it was already at TP1, but it went to TP1 within 10-15 seconds, didn't it? Which we know it does.
Really
Yeah.
quick.
Yeah.
And I think what it is cool one, and tell me if you think I'm right. I think in a career, you have a job role, right? In your business, you have to wear many hats.
Yeah.
So that's a big difference, right? You fulfill a specific role in most jobs. Your hours are set by your employer. Whether you work from home or whether you go into an office, your hours are set. Your lunchtime hours set. Your tea breaks are sometimes set, right? You might have some flexibility as to what time you take it, but it's like a 15-minute break, or it's an hour's lunch or 30 minutes lunch. Yeah. You have a rota, don't you? If you're working in an environment that runs 7 days a week, you might have to work at the weekends. You know, I was talking to a lady who's joined us, who's a nurse, and she said, I'm absolutely fed up of the shifts that I'm doing. And we had another gentleman that's joined us, and he was the same thing. He said, he works for the police service, and he said, I'm sick and tired of all the shifts, you know.
Yeah.
And there's only so much, you know, that you get to a point in your life you think, I don't want to do this anymore.
There's a shelf life for those sort of things.
So the thing is, the main difference between what you're doing now and what you were doing then is you were told in some way, shape, or form what to do, when to do it.
Yeah.
So now you come and there's no structure, is there? You can, you know, we run signals from 5 o'clock in the morning, and then because the signals are there all day long, oh yeah, I'll do it in an hour, or you know, I'm going to go for a little walk and scratch my backside, right? And that kind of nonsense. But what we've done, and we didn't realise this, we didn't know this would happen, is we brought discipline to training, haven't we?
Yeah.
We brought discipline to our day.
Which is great because it structures it. And that's important.
So
But
now
it's only 4 hours.
we have structure to our business, we have structure to our day, we're making plans for what profit levels we want to be at. Right? And so, where's this noise coming from? Right? Is that you, Matthias?
Oh yeah, could be me. That's me.
Don't worry. Right? And so, no, just me. I just wonder because it's like it's all over the place. Is it my house? Is the contractor?
Matthias, are you watching cartoons? I thought it was your
Cartoons.
bathroom. I thought
He
it was your
always watches
bathroom.
cartoons. He always watches cartoons. How did you know?
I was joking. I thought it was your bathroom fitters doing something.
That's why I was wondering, where's this coming from? Is it from outside? Is it from inside? You know, is it coming from the speaker?
They're making coffee. I think so. They're doing the warming up the milk.
You know something?
Oh.
People I've met that only have 1 or 2 cups of tea when we ask them. Otherwise, that's fine. You know, we had this gang of people that came and did the front and back gardens, and in the end, we bought them a cheap kettle and put it out on the doorstep because all they ever wanted was tea all day long. So in the morning, you should get a tray of old mugs and things, tea, sugar, milk, and just put it on the doorstep because we've got power outside. Do it your bloody self, right?
Oh.
No, it's all good stuff. So yeah, so I think that what we've done is you now know that I need to be sat at my desk for 8 o'clock. And indeed, what you're doing now is you're doing it even before then.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So, and then, you know, I mean, personally speaking, now we've got Tess and I have a meeting at 4 o'clock today. But I think after 3 o'clock, I'm pretty much done. Right? But if you then count up your hours, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 is 7 hours. Nobody needs to work more than that.
Only last night, but you both know I don't sleep, and I must have fallen asleep, and I wake up, and it was the signal giver on updating. At 1:30 this morning. Have you not seen the Times? And I was thinking, what are you bloody doing up at 1:30? You've got to be up at 4 in a minute. At 1:30, we were sent about 5. If you look at the times of this morning when it started, it started at 1:30, and I'm thinking, I only just got off to sleep. Now you're woken me up.
Yeah. We it's really strange because obviously sometimes stuff's going on and we're up, and it was like, "Are you up?" Yeah. And we're like, it's like 1:30 in the morning, or we'll say, "I got up for a pee break and I saw your message. And I thought I'll message you back."
Yeah. Well, in your messaging, you two woke me up, and I'd only just gone to sleep because I'd been reading a book, and the book finished. But unusually,
You finished the book.
I was reading Trading in the Zone first, chapter 11.
Yeah.
And then I read several pages, and then, you know, sometimes you get to a point, okay, I'm not taking this in anymore because you can. So I start reading a different book that I've got on the go, a detective novel. Well, it finished, but unfortunately, it finished where the next part was crucial, that it was going to start in the next book. Normally they don't. It's one story per one. So then I started reading that. So I had only I thought, you've got to go to bed. It was 12:15. Go to bed. So I switch it off and wake up. And I'm thinking, it can't be 5 o'clock already. And it was 1:30. And he's updating the group. And I'm thinking, up in a minute. And the next thing, it's 3:30, so I'm up again.
Well, that is
ask
now.
Ask Matthias what time I put the message in our group for the new website that I got Claude to make today.
Where did you put it? Where did you put that message?
We have Matthias and our marketing guys have a group.
Okay, in your group.
Yeah. So we just have it. It's just for our marketing stuff.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah.
What time's the
Quarter
first one
to-
in the morning?
4:45. 4:45, yeah, on the
If
morning.
you, get,
First one.
if you get bored, I'm awake as well. If Matthias wants a line, I'll listen to your messages.
No, I replied to him only 6:30.
So from
Yeah.
from 4:45. So I've been working on that since about 3:30 this morning.
Yeah.
So by 4:45, I'd got the first version out. That's after writing all my social media posts and all the rest of that kind of stuff. And then it took him till 6:37 to reply. What a bloody!
I know.
Yes,
I know. It's the younger generation.
You
it's
just
the
can't
young-
get the stuff these days.
It's the younger generation. So at 1:31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 messages we got from the signal giver. And then
Yeah.
and I remember looking, thinking, oh bloody hell, go to bed, you've got to get up in a couple of hours. And he did.
well,
And then it
Like-
five to 5.
Incredible.
we can tell we have signals 24 hours now.
Yes.
I know. I was thinking,
But you know how cool most groups, they're doing like 3 or 4 signals a week.
it's bizarre, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Right, I'm going to just have a little break and I'm going to check on the contractor guys, see how they're doing. So give me 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
See you shortly.
See you. Yeah, that came all. The last signal just came all the way back to the zone and went
Yeah.
all the way up to TP2
Yeah.
again.
Yep. But you
If
never
you will
know,
break-
do you? But you never
Yeah.
know. I mean, I've watched it. So I was doing something on my phone when the signal came. So I just finished what I had to do, because that's when you make mistakes as well, Matthias, isn't it? When you start rushing from one thing to another. And
Yeah.
I was doing something completely different, unrelated to this. And I thought, let me just finish it. But in that 10 seconds, it had gone up to TP1.
Yeah, but let's say you put stop loss at break even or your
Yeah.
best entry, or you're still on the trade if you want to be on the trade.
Yeah, but sometimes you know what happens, because it was already at 1.
Yeah,
It can go back before you can put a break even.
yeah.
So, you know, I think.
Just be mindful. Whatever you do once, keep doing that over
Yes.
and over.
Yeah. And that's what I'm trying to embed, that whatever I do each time. That's the discipline I'm trying to embed within myself to follow continually. And that's one of my things that I'm trying to, is that yes, the signal came, I haven't got to jump up and start. Because again, often, and we've said it time and time again here, sometimes you get a better signal, a better entry, don't you, if you don't always rush in. So it's not that you lose out. You don't
And
lose
it's just being patient. Let's say you rush to take that signal again, and that goes to stop loss.
Yeah.
It's different all the time.
Yeah.
If you do one thing once, keep doing that all the time. Then you'd be more protect. And booking profits is the key. We can see those days, those weeks we have been trading together.
Yeah.
I will keep repeating that because it's the way
good.
to go.
It's good because it sinks in. It sinks in. So, no, it's good. But if you have time later on, when you're not with Cam, outside of here, if we could do my Revolut wallet thing, that would be really helpful.
Yeah, absolutely. We can do, if you want to book we can book for tomorrow. Today I'm still busy.
No, tomorrow's good. Tomorrow's good. I'm in no hurry.
I still have my last meeting today at 8:30 again.
Yeah, no. So we can do it tomorrow afternoon if that's better.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Tomorrow after the call, we can do it straight away.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, it was just amazing today to receive those messages. And
Yeah, definitely.
I like even more that feeling, you know?
Yes, yes. Yeah, everybody's having a good day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And let's see, that last signal is nearly on TP3 now.
Okay.
But it's not valid
yeah.
anymore. If you steal the trades, it's okay. If you book your profits, you are on the right path.
$38. Did it just hit that? I think
No.
it hit 37, didn't it?
Yeah, not 38, no.
Mm,
But it's on the way up.
yeah. So,
You just need to break that point now. We'll go up. Otherwise, we will be building that range again
mm,
between 26 and 36, 37.
okay. Let's watch.
Yeah, TP3.
Wow.
Okay, it's got that.
Problem is, most of us couldn't get in because they didn't go into the range, did it?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
So you had to be a bit of a leap of faith, didn't it?
Yeah, you had the opportunity to re-enter, but we reached TP2. I don't do that.
No.
If we went to TP2, I don't re-enter because it's too risk.
Yeah.
It's better wait for the next signal. Be patient and
Well,
wait for it.
The way it started dropping, you would have thought it could have gone straight through all of your SLs and everything, couldn't it?
Yeah, and then we talked, the signal came on the news.
Yeah.
Just before the news, you don't want to hanging around now.
And guys, the thing with the news is, the guys in the city get it before us. So they've got faster internet connections.
Yeah.
They've got inside information. They've got colleagues in the business. I don't know how the news works in the city, but I know that in order to publish the news, they have to have it beforehand. So journalists in this country get the news 20 minutes before. So 20 minutes before you've heard something on Sky, they've had that information to be able to put their report together. Right?
Yeah, that's
so, yeah, my daughter's on that circuit of people. So any political news, anything that's going on, she has that 20 minutes before it's actually announced. Because again, she has clients that she has to inform of something that's about to happen. So these guys could have the news before us, so they react to it. That's why the market sometimes moves so quickly.
Yeah.
It's not because they got some magic, but they actually know the stuff before we do.
And sometimes if you are patient, you have the news after half an hour, 50 minutes is where you see the impact on the market as well.
The action, yeah, they digest it, don't they?
Yeah.
TP hit, 40 pips, TP what?
Just from the last signal. I think
Yeah.
it's coming late, but yeah, will be
Yeah.
GP1, GP2, GP3. You see GP2
Yeah.
and GP3. And GP3, yeah, 130 pips. We break that position. I think so. That will go easily to 50 now. Let's see. We are not on the trading anymore, by the way.
No.
Who is holding it? Amazing.
That's incredible. It was an insane entry if you got hold of it and you stayed in it.
Yeah.
Absolutely nuts entry.
Yeah, the entry was not perfect, but then if you yeah. But yeah, TP2, I think so. It's the habit to get some profits there is good. And if you want to hold to TP3, you can hold a fraction of your trade, not all of it. But that is the strategy. You need to find your strategy the way it works for you as well. That's the only 1 minute, but it's dropping a little bit. Let's see if we form another range here to keep pushing up, or we'll retrace all the way down again. Let's see. I will share a little bit of the day today, Cam.
Yeah, sure.
on the group.
Yeah, absolutely. Shoot away.
Let's see. From that morning. As you can see, the things Kuwant was saying about the updating was 1:30 in the morning. We had the updates. And then we had the signal was nearly 10 o'clock before the market closed, 5 minutes to 10. We had the last signal. And as you can see, those were only updates about the traders that we had on the day. That entry was so perfect. The area that we entered that trade, and then you can see the updates from that trade, 200 pips, 300 pips, plus 600. It's just a lot. If you keep runners, you can take those, but the best thing to do is at least at GP2 book some profits, and then you can do whatever you want to do. Move your stop loss to break even. And then 5 o'clock in the morning, we start with buys. Straight away to GP. Twice and more buys. As you can see, it's a lot of information how you can like keep controlling your trading. Add more TPs, and then you have time for a walk or do whatever you want to do. And it's still 6 o'clock. Before 7 o'clock, TP2, TP3, another amazing entry, as you can see here. And then we just carry on booking more profits. Then we did buy and sell. We had some sales today as well. One of the sales, stop loss, 30 pips. As you can see, protect your capital. Stop loss is non-negotiable. You need to put the stop loss. TPs, more TPs, TP3.
Wonderful.
And those are updates from the previous signals. If you click here, you go straight on the signal as well. Another sell. More TPs. And then when you start to copy the signals, you understand a little bit about what we say when we send those signals. And if you don't understand, that's why we are here on the live, to share with you. Let me scroll down faster now. TPs, and more TPs. You don't need to take all those trades. You just need to be profitable on the day, and that's it. Another sell, TP, TP1, TP2, TP3. No, it's just great to see all those results.
So what kind of profit are you up? Oh, cool one's gone, so you can't see it.
Oh, have I got?
What? Yeah, you can't see your camera, so it's just.
You turn off your
What
camera.
kind of returns have you got for the day so far on your trading account? I know you did 15% on the Copy Trader.
I think so. She disappeared now. And for those who are asking me about all those pips, those are the targets when we have a winner TP3. Those will be subsequent targets like TP3, after TP3, TP4, TP5, TP6. It's up to you where you want to hold that trade. I don't like to hold trades overnight. That means if we have a huge spike on the day or a huge drop on that trade, I will catch it. Otherwise, I will be happy with my TP3. Let me minimize that. Yeah, the market is still ranging on 39, 34. And guys, if you're watching it, you want to have full access to the Telegram group, it's very easy. It's completely free. You just need to reach out to Cam. We have the number there on the screen. And also you can scan the QR code and you'll be able to join us.
Yeah, so Ingrid, that was not my workers, that was Mateus. So when you have the same in 2 weeks, it's awful because there's dust everywhere, right? So my wife's asking me, why do I wear the same jog pant every day, jog suit every day? Because I said it's dusty, I just throw it in the linen basket Friday when they leave, right? So yeah, it's the end result's worth it, obviously, but there's a process to go through. Look at that, 46, 44.
It's just going up, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, 150 pips on that one.
Eventually the market will go up. Where it goes up from is the question. When I say go up, it's been relatively ranging for quite a long time. If I look up on my day chart, So it's been in a range largely from 43.50-ish up to about 48, 49. So that's a price range of about $500 since March the 23rd, so end of March. So all of April, it's been in that kind of range, and it'll break out at some point. Whether it breaks down or up doesn't really matter to us, but that's where it's been. The previous sort of month, 6 weeks was much higher, 5,300 down to about 4,600. So again, an 800 pip range. So let's see what it does. But we trade the market, we trade price action, which means we see the market, we trade what's in front of us. We're not fund managers, we're not planning for the next 2 years, we're planning for the next 5 minutes. And if we can buy in 2 minutes, even better. So interesting stuff. So we've done the red news for today. So there was also ICM manufacturing PMI today, so that's all out. And the next bit of news we have now is, let me just get there. Oh, please stop that. A chart, my price wants to go up there. No. Oh, that's really interesting. I'm sorry, I've just noticed a feature that I've not seen here before. Buy, sell. Okay, I can go there. Oh, okay. Yeah, one of the things we're talking at home about is housing starts 21st of May. So, I've got it on the day chart, so it's years away. One of the things we're talking about at home is showing you guys how to hook up your accounts to your particular broker on TradingView. So it's just a lot easier to place trades. I don't do it myself, so I'll have to learn it myself. And then if you guys are interested, it's a little bit quicker. I don't know whether you could still use them on MT4, MT5. But Des, do you know how it works?
Yeah, you can create your account. And when you select the platform, you need to select TradingView.
Yes.
And then you can hook that to TradingView.
Okay. So you select your platform in your broker account.
Yeah, when you're creating your account, you need to select in TradingView.
Got it. Well, let's go through that on a demo account next week.
Yeah.
And we can set it up. We can demonstrate it.
Yeah. I like TradingView, but I'm very used to trade on my phone nowadays. I will stick with that.
I agree with you. I think so. I think that's a good call.
But because I tried before, I used another software to trade on the desktop version.
Yeah.
I tried MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and other softwares as well. And the phone makes so easy for me, because especially for us, now we are doing the live, we have more time to be in front of screen, but most of the time we are running meetings or talking with some customers is difficult.
Yeah. I know exactly what you're saying. I think the thing is that nothing, you can tell MT4 and MT5 were just made for a phone. They were not made for a desktop because they look rubbish, right?
Yeah.
Because I've got my MT4 for certain accounts loaded onto my desktop. I have the desktop version. It's awful.
TradingView looks nice. That's why we're sharing TradingView. Yeah.
TradingView is lovely.
Yeah.
Well, obviously, there's I don't know what the company's worth, but it'd be millions, if not billions, in terms of research and R&D development and everything else they do, and all this stuff that they put together. Especially all of this, the ranges and news and performance and all these little things are all helping us.
On all the indicators as well.
Yeah. All the
we try to. Yeah. Yeah, cool one. She just had some issues with internet.
Okay,
That's why she's not here with us.
that's okay. It's okay, no problem.
BT is doing some work around her house. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. And we were very active as I was sharing the signals today. That's why maybe now is just a matter of stay with your profits. If we have more signals on the next half an hour, we will share with you. Otherwise, it was one amazing day on the signals. We just had some break evens and also one small stop loss. Other than that, all blue.
Okay, what's he telling us now? Prepare for a buy. Prepare for a buy. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's get the last trade in before we shoot off. Got 36 minutes.
Let's see, 35.29.
Okay.
I will share that with you. That's the range.
I got into that. I pressed the button. Got into that 46.36 as the first entry.
Yeah.
Just put some buy limits in for the rest of the range. See what happens.
That was the point, guys. As you can see that there now. 35 to 29. TP1 will be 38. And the stop loss 46.28.
So you should be in profit. I'm in profit on my first trade. I think entering,
Yeah.
I got in at 36, so 10 pips above. We still on range to buy. Yeah, I was going to just say, just hit 25, 30 pips on my first trade. I'm out of that one.
I'm closing as well.
So next one is I'm in at 35, so that's in profit now. We've got another 25 pips, 30, 35, 20 pips. It's the end of the day, we made plenty of money, so I'm going to take a little bit of profit on that as well. Thank you very much. If it comes back, I've got some couple of buy limits in.
I close at CP1 out of it, yeah. Oh, we got some questions from Ingrid. Are you streaming on TikTok at the same time? Yes, we are in different platforms.
Yeah, but we're both naked on TikTok, Ingrid, so you want to be careful. Not really. Just kidding. I think we're on TikTok.
But yeah, I think so. Facebook and YouTube is the main platforms that we have more people.
The lovely thing about YouTube is A, you can find us, B, we'd really, if you subscribe, you get a notification, and we really appreciate it if you do. And then the other thing is every show is recorded, so you can watch back. So I think that's the main thing. Thank you, really appreciate that, Ingrid. She says well done. We've been planning this for quite a while. It just takes time to implement and actually make the decisions. So we've probably been talking about this for a couple of months now, haven't we, Matthias?
Yeah, I think so. Is the decision, isn't it, to say now we let's. And it's a big commitment as well, because you need to stay here for that time. And if we say we will do something, we don't want to start and leave it. We will stay here for you guys. Yeah.
We're not those kind of people, are we?
Yeah. And then it's just the patience to be there.
I think what happens, Matthias, is your trading changes, right? Look, Cool One's been trading with us since day one. So if we suddenly disappeared after a week, then that would actually change things for her, which we don't want to do. Yeah. Consistency is the key.
It's the key for everything. Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. And we want to show off, right?
Show the results.
No, we want to show up, don't we? We want to show up every day. We want to help people. We want to build a community. Like nothing else really in terms of where we are, because we if we win together, we lose together, and that I think it helps you no end on your journey in terms of where you are in life. We can talk about all sorts of things because our fair people will call and want to discuss things, which is fine.
It's fighting there now.
Yeah, 40-30, 30 pips. So you can move your stop loss to that if you want. It was a buy, wasn't it? Yeah.
40-30, yeah.
Yeah. 46-30. So I took two. I'll let you know what they were. Yeah, I took a couple of like 25, 30 pip profits there.
Yeah, I went to TP1 and that's it.
Yeah. Gonna end the day with 7% in the bag, so that's tomorrow and the next day's trading done really.
Yeah, that's true. If you don't want to trade tomorrow, you can relax.
Yeah. Absolutely. I think of like Monday, when I have a day off, and you think now that I can think, right, great, I'll do my 2% tomorrow. You're finished, and then it's the first of the month, so you could even have tomorrow off if you really wanted to, if you got the results in the bag, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We are doing the live tomorrow or not?
Of course we are. Friday in the morning only.
On the morning only, yeah. Because
So
when
Friday,
we have bank holiday, we are talking about bank holiday. Tomorrow is not bank holiday, isn't it?
Monday's bank holiday.
Monday is bank holiday, yeah.
It's May Day. It's a workers' holiday.
Okay.
That, Matthias, I don't do any work, so can I still have a holiday?
You can still have holiday, yeah.
Okay,
I will allow you that time.
It's like it's workers' holiday, right? Then we're like, Cam, you don't do any work anyway.
Bank holiday in Europe, in some countries, yeah.
Is it bank holiday in Brazil?
I think so. Tomorrow is holiday in Brazil. Is the works 1st of May? Yeah.
Yeah.
They
15%
celebrate
profit
tomorrow.
on my first day trading the new copy trader is not too shabby, is it? Not at all, mate.
That's amazing. As you can see, if you stay on that trade, we move risk-free at 46.30. If you are in profit, try to book your profits and move stop loss to that point. And we are coming to that point right now. It's just crossing that. Yeah. We're supposed to be out of that trend at B, out of entry. Yeah. That's the key to keep booking profit, guys. If you're looking for TP4, TP5 all the time, you will not get all the time.
Well, you get it 30-40% of the time. You get it the same time as we get, right? So we hit TP1 90% of the time, TP2 probably 60-70%, TP3 probably around the 60-70%, whatever those figures are, I don't know them. I know TP1's like 90% and above. So that's it. So bank holiday in Europe and in some countries. Well, it's a bank holiday in the UK. The market will be open. You probably will get signals. Not quite as many because it's slower. But I don't like the slow market because if you get stuck in a trade, you get stuck in the goddamn trade. The thing I like about gold is so volatile that you'll hit stop loss or TP, one or the other. At least you're out of the damn trade. So, but it's a personal choice, right? The market will be open. It'll be a lot slower.
Yeah.
Because even when the only 2 days when nothing really happens is Christmas and probably Easter Monday or Good Friday. So there's only about 3 days when, all the big markets are closed because it won't be a bank holiday in America. So New York will be open as normal. It probably won't be a bank holiday in Australia either, but I haven't checked. So the Australian market will be open. So the Asian market will be open as normal. So Europe, so Frankfurt and London will probably be the slowest sessions on Monday.
And you always receive one update from the broker anyway. Keep one eye on your emails.
Yeah, that's a great point. The broker will tell you.
Yeah. If the market's
or trading hours.
The trading hours, you will receive that update. Let's wait for the next one if we have, but I think so that is enough for today. We did very well today. I think so. It's just amazing how it went today. Some people are booking profits for all week in only one day.
Yeah, guys, if you're trading and you want to message us with your wins today, what kind of percentages have you made, or how is trading with us? How are you finding it? Is it helping you? And if there's anything else that we can do, if there's something that we've missed, because we're trying to do the best we can. But at the end of the day, it's the community's for you, not for us. It's helping us as well in ways that we never even thought about. But if there's something you need, something you want, something you want us to cover, let us know, and we'll try our best to accommodate it. If it's ethical, moral, and legal, we'll do it. I can feel the signal coming.
Let's see on 1 hour. Yeah, it's dropping all the way. You see that range on the 1 hour is dropping all the way on the bottom of that range as well.
Yeah. So it's just cancelled out the last 3 hours, hasn't it?
Yeah. Let me eliminate that. Make that clean. 1 minute. You can see that very nice on 1 minute as well, breaking that range pattern. Let's see if that holds. We still carry on going up.
Very gusty out there today.
Sorry?
Very gusty out there today. I can really hear the wind. And then because I've got my window open, my door's like just, which only happens when it's really, really bad out there.
At least we have the sun today.
Beautiful.
It is. I can see that here as well where I am. Yeah.
So the reason you're not going to signal is because we don't feel that it's hit the bottom of that range yet. Yeah, so I've got entry on the rest of the positions. Mercedes and I were out ages ago, took 2 TPs on that, and we were out. But again, we've had a great day, so they need to try and squeeze everything out of the day, and that's when you usually end up making mistakes.
Yeah, I think so. It's like we say, if you are happy with your profits, just enjoy the weather. We are in the UK. It's a little bit windy, but we still have the sun. Just go enjoy it.
Yeah.
Take some natural vitamin D. It's still dropping a little bit more. Let's see. But yeah, it was amazing day. We start really early on the morning, and we have another signal.
Just wanted to show you this whilst, with the signals, as I was saying, on the 5 minutes, there's all the bottom and there's all the liquidity. But we think that we can go again at 46.21, 46.16. Matthias, if you want to, I want to add you back to the stage. If I can.
Yeah.
I've got to remove the other one first. And you can put your signal on. Because as you know,
the signal is that.
It's just getting into range, or it was in range, may come back again. So if you want to trade,
that's the range.
So it's been coming down. It's in the range now. Let me see what I'm going to do.
Just make sure you have time to put.
Yeah. Put those entries in. So I press the button. There you go. $30 pips, I've taken that. So hit 24. Yeah, there you go. I got about 30 pips. I didn't get quite the 40, but I don't care about that.
That's good. Yeah.
But you can't sit around saying I need the entry exactly the same as the trader. You're not the trader, are you?
No.
Yeah, unless you press the button exactly the same time, you can read his mind, or you communicate with him telepathically or something. It's not going to happen, is it?
Yeah, job done. More profits. As simple as that, guys. It's just patience. Wait for the signal. Take the signal and book your profits. And put stop loss. Of course, you need to protect yourself. You never know if that will go to stop loss or not. Mm-hmm. And by the way, today we just had one stop loss. A very tiny 30 pips stop loss.
Right, I just took the profit on that. I've deleted my orders because I'm thinking, no, you know what? I want to go. I'm finished for the day. Got one meeting, Matthias and I, at 4 o'clock.
And as you can see, it's coming back to the entry point. But yeah, I closed mine as well because that went a little bit further than TP1. It was perfect.
Right, I'm out of those trades. Give me about 5 minutes. I can hear the contractor boy.
Yeah,
I can hear the contractor boys stirring. Give me 5 minutes.
It's still dropping, guys. If you didn't book your profit, make sure at least you have your stop loss. And that's, if you didn't book your profit, guys, went straight away to stop loss now. That's why protecting your capital is the key. Especially you saw the range. When we break that range, that can go all the way up and make us TP2, TP3. But unfortunately, we just break that range now. And then just book your profits. Here, that came to his stop loss. If you didn't book your profit, will be stop loss. I cannot hear you. Oh, let me. Yeah.
That's me. You snooze, you lose.
Yeah.
When we say things like money loves speed or money never sleeps, those things are actually true.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're actually true.
And we were talking about that range. You can see clearly here on the 1 minute, the range on the 1 minute. And that could go up, or if it breaks that point, it will go all the way up. And if it breaks that point, will come down. And we break that point now. Just on the entry point.
So that could crash straight through, couldn't it?
Yeah, because now is nothing to hold.
Yeah, so I was talking about that on the 5 minute chart just before that signal came in.
Yeah.
So all that liquidity pools down there, which it may want to pick up before it goes back up.
Yeah.
Right. Then probably the biggest candle of the day was at 9 a.m. this morning. Went all the way from 45.97 to 46.18 in 5 minutes. So
yeah,
it may want to go back and collect some of the liquidity and before it shoots back up again. So yeah.
But if you see on your graphic now, the line, that line is forming. Before on the morning was on that range as well, went up, now came back to that range, and let's see if it will break through it or if it will carry on pushing up.
Might want to keep us guessing when we leave at 3 o'clock, eh, Mateus? What she wants to do?
I'm sorry?
Might keep us guessing at 3 o'clock. So if are you looking at my charts now? You are, aren't you?
Is your charts, yeah.
Yeah, so if you see this here, the bottom of this, and it go across to this is on the 5 minutes, this here, you can see it all, can't you? That is just, yeah. You know, if you go from here, that's right.
Prepare to buy again.
Here we go. And just get rid of that. start drawing some lines. So we obviously think that liquidity grab there, we've done that, but it's actually gone through it. So it's at 12. It's been in the range. I'll go back to the 1 minute. So it's been in the range.
We have one buy signal now between 12 and 07.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I share on the screen, we will not have time to update.
It doesn't matter where we share. The thing is, because every day we talk to people about joining the group. So if they're in the group, you're seeing it, you guys can trade it out yourselves. And if you're not in the group, ask yourself why.
Yeah. The last one, let's see. I will give the update of TPs for you.
So that was really strange that came in. I didn't see it, or maybe it's on the 1 minute already, or I hadn't seen it there. So you see, this is what I was trying to explain. It's gone right to the bottom there of this. There's a wick there on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
So it's pulling back, gone to 12. So
it's very tricky one to take as well, because we'll be just breaking that range, you know?
Yeah.
Sometimes if you start to seeing those patterns, and just need to be mindful and mechanical. Nearly on TP1 on that one.
So I took that on just under 30 pips.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, no need for anything else from me. Had an excellent day. Just so lovely to wrap up with you guys on this trading day for me. I finished for the day in trading terms. So if you want to ask us anything, if you want any questions for me, you have my number, reach out. Yeah. So reach out. So there you go. It's gone back again. So I took my profit. I think it was right. Like I said, 20 pips, 30 pips maybe. Hope you did too.
Yeah. I didn't take the last one.
You didn't?
No. It's more than enough today.
I thought, let's see. But look, it's your business, right?
Yeah.
So there's two of us. We work together every day. And we still make different decisions to each other.
Yeah.
So if you can still see my chart, it's just.
Yeah, we're still seeing your charts.
Yeah, look, it's just sitting there now. So this is on the 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Yeah, I was going to say it might go lower, and it just does that. So I'm going to take you to the 1 hour. So it's just got a little wick there. So it's right in the middle of this. So if it breaks, it could do this here.
Yeah.
4604 down here somewhere. 4611. This is on the 1 hour chart.
Yeah, that's good. We can see the big.
Okay, Matthias, we have the Zoom link for the meeting at 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll see you on that after we wrap up here. Try and get some
That's
time
awesome.
yourself away from the screen.
I will.
So listen, we really thank you for joining us. Really appreciate it. Hope you're getting real value from what we're doing, because that's what it's all about. You know, the jibber jabber, the chatting doesn't really matter. Hope you're making some money. Hope you're learning something. Hope you're realizing how great this business is. Thank you so much. You two have a lovely time. Really appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow. And come and join us. Make this as part of your routine, part of your day. People like Kulwan, people like Mark Farrell will come on, and Adam that come on live. If you want to come on live, let us know. You'd be very, very welcome. And share your experiences with us of your trading journey. And that's it, really. I have like simple solutions. I like breaking problems down and getting the simplest possible solution, breaking it down to the atom, if you like, and getting a single, and where we can then go from. So that's where we're at. So where are we? You want to wrap us up with the trade and where that's heading, Matthias, or what it's doing?
It's nearly on TP1 now. It's at 13, TP1 is nearly there, 14.
Mm-hmm.
We just need to break that 14. First CP was 15, but it's very difficult now because that can drop. I can see. Just book your profits if you are on that trade.
So there's the 1 minute. The 5 minute will show you where it's at. So it's just beyond that liquidity pool there. So lots of movement there. So the
As you can see, it's dropping again.
Yeah, the next stop will be 4,600. If it breaks through, right? It looks like on the 5 minute candles it is breaking through. So if you book some profits, great. It could, for all I know, it could wrap straight back up. But that's what there is a possibility that it could do that.
That's
so it's going just that little bit lower. Every candle is going a little bit lower, right? And then what you see, you notice it. I always look at it on the 5 minutes for this, and then one of these will just go, and then that's it. You either hit stop loss or you hit TP5 or something.
But protect your capital.
Yeah, we will see you tomorrow. Is it Thursday today?
Thursday, yeah.
Good Lord, where did that week go? So we will see you for our last session of the week tomorrow. It's the 1st of May. I hope you've really had an amazing month trading. We've been here for 3 weeks of the 4 weeks, or 4.5 weeks trading. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Come and see us. If you can subscribe and like us on YouTube, I'd really appreciate it. That's all we ask for. Other than that, have a great evening. It's a beautiful day. Go and relax if you need your money. Thanks for being here.
Finishing with CP1.
Oh, fantastic. I will see you at 4 o'clock, Matthias. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye now.
Bye-bye.